Hi, I'm Kristina Nava. My daughter and I have been clients of Autism Tree Foundation since she was 4 years old. She's 8 years old now. I cannot even begin to tell you how grateful we are for this foundation. When we began our journey 4 years ago, actually 5 years ago, we discovered Autism Tree. And I have to tell you, they are the most genuine, caring, heartfelt people that you'd want to help you navigate as you're learning about autism. I first came in contact with Rebecca, and she is as passionate today as she was the day I met her. She's somebody that has such a genuine concern, and they offer so many programs, and they're free of charge. They honestly are an organization, a nonprofit, that if you do choose to donate, your money would be going to such good use. Thank you so much for listening, and I highly encourage Autism Tree Foundation to anyone who is looking for activities, education, whatever it may be, as you begin your journey on autism.